Hi, Mike. We're going to make a big star out of you. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the July 2021 Motor Menders Friday Night Cruise at the markets at Shrewsbury. Checking out this DeLorean. Now, this is an 85, correct?
82.
82, pardon me. Okay, I'm getting mixed up. Last year, last run, how many did they paint? Do you have any clue?
I don't, not sure. It wasn't many.
No, it's very, very few. In a last-ditch attempt to sell off the inventory because they had a lot of leftover inventory. They tried painting the cars. They also tried twin turbo by Legend Motors Hauppauge, Long Island. You can see this is a beautiful, beautiful car in this maroon. I just love it. Very, very 80s, early 80s paint. I like the ghosting in there. Now, of course, this one being the later, it's got the flat hood with the gas flap underneath. You see what it's all about? Oh, I like that. He's got the DeLorean in paint up there also. Manual transmission, which is wonderful, absolutely wonderful. You can see the interior was really not bad. They had worked out all the bugs, a lot of the bugs which were in here. Grabbing the handle was a problem for short people, so they put that leather extension on. It's really pretty cool. And of course, it's got the Renault, Volvo, Peugeot V6 in the rear. But look at this in maroon. What a gorgeous car. What a gorgeous car. Now, you've owned this, Mike, what, a couple of months? Where did you find her?
DMC, Florida.
Ah, very good. Very good.
Yep.
Yeah, it's funny is that DMC Motors is still in business.
Yep.
So check out dmcmotors.com. They're always lots of fun. Now, they've been promising production, but they have not gotten into production yet.
No, not in the new late model years. They haven't. They've been talking about starting to remake them, but
yeah,
not sure who's going to take it on.
It's a big job. It's a big
is.
job. What brought you to the DeLorean, and what brought you to the maroon one?
I've always been interested in DeLoreans, and the stainless. There's just a lot of them, so I wanted to find something a little bit more unique.
Yeah. I also like that you got the 3-pedal.
Yep.
That is a good find.
Well, for sure, that's the only way to drive.
Oh, that's it. That is it. That's gorgeous. Now, what kind of comments do you get?
It's funny, mostly about the paint.
Yeah.
That's first what they say before they even realize or even say anything about the DeLorean part. It's just like the paint job is what I get. The first thing is what I get. So.
Do people even know what a DeLorean is?
I don't know. I'm not sure. I mean, it's a history. There's not a lot of them. So.
Yeah. What was it, 8,600? I think it was something like that.
There's only maybe 6,000 left.
Yeah. Unbelievable. Yep. Unbelievable. This is great. Hey, Mike, thanks for coming out. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Especially with such an oddball. It's wonderful. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the July 2021 Motor Menders Friday Night Cruise. We bring you all the weird stuff, so you know you've got to subscribe. So, make sure that you put your shows on Northeast Wheels, Southeast Wheels, UK Wheels, and while you're there, while you're on this site, subscribe. I'll see you at the shows.